Yoga is an over 5,000-year-old practice to quiet the mind and invoke a state of peace by yoking the body, mind, and spirit. Yoga is a spiritual system with a physical component. The 200-hour Dhvani yoga teacher training is 12 weekends of yoga workshops, January 12th through June 2nd, 2019. Explore the safest and most commonly used asana or postures in hatha yoga practice. We will focus on evidence-based stress reduction approaches and explore the origins of mindfulness in yoga. Explore yoga history through ancient texts with an emphasis on Raja Yoga and the 8 limbs of Patanjali. Learn basic sound healing techniques to balance the chakras using the voice, tuning forks, chimes, and musical instruments. Begin to identify the muscles being used for each posture and explore modifications for each asana. Examine a safe asana practice for all populations. With anatomy and physiology integrated into the class discussion, learn to design safe asana sequences for a variety of populations. Learn to cultivate and control prana, or energy, through breath and attention, and learn about the benefits and the fundamentals of a safe breathing practice. Beginners or advanced practitioners who want to deepen their meditation practice can experience the stages of attention, learn yoga instructor professionalism, and review the different approaches of teaching yoga. We explore student-teacher relationships and how to maintain competency as a yoga teacher. Practice group teaching in a safe and supportive environment, knowing the benefits of the poses and how to properly warm up the body. Build on cueing skills and teaching styles, using your voice to promote a calm space. The last weekend will celebrate with Bhakti Yoga through singing, chanting, and silence. Practice kirtan with a selection of interspiritual chants and songs on the Give Peace a Chance practice CD. Learn basic Ayurvedic principles and participate in an optional 30-day elimination diet following the Institute for Functional Medicine's food plan. Join lead trainer Alana Greer and supporting faculty in Taos, New Mexico, January 12th through June 2nd, 2019, over 6 months, every other weekend, Saturdays and Sundays, 11 to 6. Namaste. Hope to see you there.